So we're cleaning my room today. Woo.
I'm cleaning your room.
She's cleaning my room. But look at it. Wonderful, right? Oh yeah, and she got her hair dyed again. It's dyed black. It looks red though.
It's not red. How does that look red?
It looks red in the light. So we've started cleaning, and it's pretty good so far. Mackenzie.
Cat noises.
Cat noises. Cat noises.
Cat bug.
Cat bug.
You have the same shirt.
Meow.
You have two of the same shirt. I think.
Meow.
She has two of the same shirts!
Because it's all time low.
But that messes with my OCD.
Well, who cares?
I do.
I don't. Oh, I'm just kidding. I care about your life. Meow. Meow.
Meow.
Meow.
That was the fakest cat thing ever.
Say it!
It's like,
Meow.
meow.
Meow. Meow.
Meow.
Meow.
Meow.
Meow.
Meow.
We're officially cats.
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow. Cat Symphony. Meow. 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 I can't do this with a straight face.
Neither can I.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow.
Meow.
It was amazing. Yeah, we didn't get that far, but she did. I didn't. She did all that. I did nothing. I sat down and,
Undies!
Undies. Undies. Oh. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye! So, I got asked out today by this guy. I'm freaking out. I'm in the best mood. Yes. So has anyone else ever gotten asked out and is just like, Mackenzie, you're ruining the video! Okay,
I love you.
so has anyone else ever gotten asked out by a guy and got really excited and just... Because I do. I do a lot.
Dude, I had the most fucked up dream.
Tell us about it, Mackenzie.
No. I can't. Not to the internet people of the world.
Where you should. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, I forgot. Meow. He just sent me a text message. That's amazingly cute and I love it. Because I sent him a picture of me with the cat whiskers, you know.
Your boyfriend is really cute.
I know.
You guys are so cute together.
I'm so happy.
2015 perfect couple.
We should totally be in like the yearbook or something for perfect couple.
Yes.
Even though he just asked me out today, like
Because you guys were a couple before you were.
we
a
were
couple.
basically a couple for like 3 weeks, but